I think you can keep your feet on top. Oh, Eagle gang and Bichu gang. What are y'all doing? This signal never disappoints. See? कोई ना कोई तो रहेगा. That's the Suzuki V-Storm SX. It looks nice, but it has same Gixxer's engine, I believe. Oh. Are he had given left ka signal, no? And he took right. Those car people must be abusing bikers. There is only one lane for bikers, and in that lane all the rickshaw comes. So buses also goes sometimes. Sometimes cars. So it gets very chaotic out there. So that's the reason everyone. And on the and on the extreme right, they have again made a small lane for bikers. But I do understand how car drivers must be feeling. He's wearing his helmet like a bandana, and he was adjusting it the same way. Good, it's okay. He's not confident, so he should not do it. That's absolutely fine. At least he gave us way, right? Sir, conversation is happening. उसके दोस्त लोग भी आ गए अब. Eagle gang and Bichu gang. Indicator would have been better. Would have been nice. What is this helmet now? I mean, it was not fitting it, or that's supposed to be like that. It's a mystery. Crazy traffic, yeah, and I'm like sweating to the core. My sweat is dripping from everywhere. That's tickling me. I think I should fuel up my bike. I could see my fuel point is blinking. Okay. ये अरे सुन लो यार मेरा कोई तो भाई ये चालू है ना
गजब बेइज्जती है
टैंक बैग इज नॉट मैग्नेटिक सो आ गया फुल करना नीचे उतरना पड़ेगा क्या क्या तामझाम करना पड़ता है यार. Well, tank bag makes your work a little comfortable, but it has its own side effects like the one I have. I mean, this is not magnetic, this is the strap one, so I can use this tank bag as a tail bag as well on my 900. Let me put back the trip meter to 0. Okay, so I am done.
अरे कौन भौंक रहा है ये बदतमीज.
People are so patient, yeah, so patient. I mean, 3 seconds was still there, and they are so patient that they start honking. I mean, honking rigorously. When I see such roads, I just get so energetic, just like Hrithik Roshan in My Prem Ki Diwani. He stopped. Oh, he was a clever man, and बाप रे 3 people got caught. The policemen are also very smart, huh? They would not stand where the signal is. They would stand somewhere where they can't be seen when you're breaking the signal. That clearly states what is their agenda.
5000 का चालान भर दे या फिर 500 निकाल दे.
Yeah, you changed your mind and you made up your mind. हमारा देश ऑलरेडी इतना रंगीला है और रंगीला बना दो. In this pit also so much. I mean उसके नीचे कोई बंदा रहेगा तो नहा लेगा पूरा उसमें. No, I'll let you go. I'll let you go. Go. I understand what he'll do. Yeah, he has such a huge car. You can't just squeeze in like bikers. So sometimes you should be a good boy. Anyway, we are riding in traffic, so the bikers can always find way to go. But sometimes car वालों पे भी थोड़ा सी दया खा लो यार.
करके देखो.
अच्छा लगता है.
See, these were the people who just crossed him, and I'm still with them. What if I kick his butt? I'm so sorry. Yeah, that's so mean, Chiranjeevi.
बड़ा हरामी हो बेटा.
Hang, Are, you got a space, bro. Just want to kill that horn, what? इतना जोर से दबा रहा है. Some people are just Lakshmi Narayan Premium Gold Papad. That's hard work, yeah. Let me promote him. अरे रख दो उसको फोन को. I don't want to body shame, but that tummy was too much. Yeah. He is here. Okay, so you are going to go, bro. He is also laughing. अरे यार खाई में कूद गया.
Oh shit, man. Oh shit.
Man, this color looks nice. Chrome and white. Looks very beautiful, yeah. I had a similar classic 350, but mine was like complete white and then a blue patch near the tank with Royal Enfield's branding. Well, I have a different obsession with white colors. That's very painful, man. Heavy traffic, and then on top of it your bike goes bad, and then you have to call a mechanic, and it takes all your time. Well, in this traffic, if I'm going to ride like this, can you see that? The speed of my bike, it's 1 or 2. Why people just honk? I really don't understand. I mean, it's such a tight traffic, and on top of it you want to just honk. What do you want to do? You want to go flying or what? I'm riding on speed of 5, 10. What content I'll get in this traffic? Very sad for me. मुझे अपने घर जाना है. Wait, careful, bro. क्यों करते हो यार ये कमाल की हरकतें? अरे okay. I think you can keep your feet on top on your scooty. There is a place where you can rest your feet if you don't know. She's taking 2 bikes का जगह में. अरे she can, man. पैर तो ऊपर रख के चला रही है अभी वो. So that was on purpose.
एकदम इन्होंने वक्त बदल दिया, जज्बात बदल दिए, जिंदगी बदल दी.
Intentional था क्या वो? See, so nicely she is riding. Why was she riding like that before? Well, I don't have anything to do with if it's a girl or a boy. It's just that अगर उसके जगह कोई दूसरा आदमी भी होता तो भी मैं यही बोलता. So don't get me wrong. I do respect women. I do respect everyone who would respect me. What are y'all doing? झगड़ा का हो गया था.